Hello everyone, welcome. In this video we're gonna talk about how to make money, legit money. In this video we will talk about making a website is very legit way, very long term way to make money for years and years and years and beyond. So to make a website you have to make websites right. There is a lot of choices to make a website. There is a free choices like blogger, and there is paid choices like WordPress with hosting. Actually WordPress is a very good way to start your websites. So when you host your website on WordPress you need a very good hosting way to start your websites. I think today I give you a coupon code, very special coupon code, because in this coupon code you can start your websites with just $2, at less than $2 in a year, less than $2 in months, and you don't need to go to any platform to uh, make a purchase for domain, because Bluehost give you domain free for first year, and this is very good deal. And free SS you can purchase this also, and this is free on Bluehost. The second thing I love it about Bluehost is expert support. Actually there is a lot of problem happens when you open your websites, when you have someone to tell my problem is that, and please resolve uh, my problem. They are expert in technical problems and SEO problems too. When you have a website you need to work at Google, so you have a lot of SEO problems. You need to expert to tell you what to do, what you not to do. And when it come to renew your host is a headache when you come to renew your host, because every company of hosting, when you get the renew month or renew deal, it is very expensive. But with this special coupon code you can negotiate them in support to make a discount on renew. But you have to be very very honest with them. If you make a lot of money from your websites you don't need a discount. If you really don't made a lot of money or money with your websites, they will discount your website at least at 20%. So it is a good deal. With this coupon code you can make your website alive and let them dealing with the technical uh, situations that you will uh, get in the future, because Bluehost has many experts in technical situations. A lot of situations come to your websites. Let's say let's look for our plans: basic plan, choice plus plans, online store, and pro. So if you starter, you can choose basic plan with one free domain and 10 websites. You can open 10 websites if you have a lot of idea and you want open a website. You can do 10 websites in this plan. But I prefer choice plus because it's so affordable too, because it is like $4 at month, and with 50 websites, 50 gigabytes. So good, ideal for 20k visit per month. It will not break down. Actually when you use Bluehost it's very rarely to break down your websites. If you see any of uh, if you see any down in your website you can tell your support in Bluehost and they will solve it immediately. And they work like 24 hours, 7 days at a week. It's very good price to take your host from, because there is a lot of hosting give you prices maybe low than this. I doubt of this, but maybe low than this. But they give you headache when you dealing with technical support, and give you very good reasons to leave all website business and all this field and say this is not working. This is not working because you use you use a shitty hosting. There is a few hosting we can recommend it with. One of them is Bluehost. Maybe another hosting is good too, but in this special code you can negotiate with them with renew price. And if you struggle with them with negotiative terms, this because you have a lot of visitors, and they see a lot of visitors in your websites, and they know that you are making money from them, and this will be difficult to negotiate. Because if you want to make a money and someone serve you, please give them the right to make money too. So it's very good price and very good coupon code to start your website with. Bluehost dealing with picture very good way in database. If you have a website have a lot of picture, you will be very happy to dealing with Bluehost, because picture never get down or disappear from your website. If this happen, you can already talk to support and technical uh, team of Bluehost. Uh, if you need any help to transfer your website in this hosting, you can contact with me. If you want to learn something about how to dealing with technical things in your websites and in SEO too, you can dealing with me too in these situations. But with Bluehost you have an expert 24 hours. You can dealing with them, and they will never leave you on the chat. Okay, they will be with you until the problem is solved, and they will also suggest on you a lot of tools and a lot of plugins to help you achieve your goal. So with this price, with this coupon code, special coupon code, you can open your website or transfer your website, and this will be very a good deal. In another website, in another way, I think this is a good price. Thank you for watching. I hope you use this coupon code and open your websites immediately and start to be on Google and start to be seen for the world. Thank you for watching.